What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing a review of the Spigen tempered glass screen protector. And you can get this on Amazon.com and it's going to run you $13.99. Alright, now this is the Glasser Easy Fit Premium Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Alright, it comes with a tray. It's supposed to help you put it on. It's supposed to be fail proof. Alright, now it's rated at 9H hardness. It comes with 2 screen protectors, privacy protector as well. So, you know, if you're doing any dirtball stuff, you know, that you shouldn't be doing, if you're looking straight down at the case, only you will be able to see it. Somebody come looking from the sides or from an angle, all they're going to get is a black screen. So we'll show you that in a minute. Let's get to some other features. It has auto alignment kit, and like I said, it was fail proof. All right, it says it works with cases and it's oleophobic coating, whatever that means, right? All right, so take a look at the back if you want to read that. Let's get into the case, well, the screen protector. All right, so you know, Spigen always got that tab, so we popping tabs today. Get that out of there. See what else is in there. Nothing else is in there. All right, now we got instructions. Now it says, warning, before applying, remove any stickers or screen protectors on your screen. I have none of that on my screen, so we're good to go. Wash your hands and use the cleaning wipe to remove dust and oil on the device. All right, so step 1 is we clean the device. So, oh, there we go. Oh yeah, so it's 2. So we don't need that one right now. So we're gonna open these up and get our little alcohol pads out of here. And we're gonna clean the screen if I can open this. Alright, there we go. Now we cooking. Still struggling. Sheesh. Alright, so these usually be numbered, but I guess you don't need the number or nothing like that. So, alright, we open that up. We use like that little alcohol smell. So we use that wipe, and we're gonna clean off our screen. Alright. Try to relieve it of any fingerprints or anything like that. Put that over there in case we need it. So after cleaning off your screen, we're gonna use our little microfiber cloth to get anything extra off of there. Now you can use these stickers right here for dust removal or anything, you know what I mean, if you got any dust or something on there. Alright, use that sticker, get the dust. So step 1, we peel this off. You see it says step 1 right here. We peel that off like so. Alright, then we flip it over and we lay it on our phone. Alright, like that. Step 2 is you press right here and then you slide down. Alright, so press and slide. That's step 2. Alright, make sure we on there. It says wait 30 seconds and then remove the sticker. Alright, so we'll wait our 30 seconds. I'm gonna keep pressing anyway. Alright, and then we're going to remove the sticker right here. Alright, so the sticker is removed, and then we're going to pull it off of the phone like so. So that's separated, and then you're left with this that's on your phone. And what you want to do is peel off the protected screen. So take that off, And then you want to use your little squeegee, and that squeegee is going to squeeze any bubbles that you have in the screen. And my screen is looking, I see one. I see you. You was hiding. All right, but we're going to use that and squeeze any bubbles off of that screen. All right, so I think we looking good. Maybe you have a little one right there, something. All right, that might be more of a fingerprint. All right, and it's on there. So this is what it looks like. Screen protector is on. See it? It's looking good. Looking good. All right. So you can look from this angle, and you can see my screen, right? So I'm gonna unlock it from behind the screen. You can see my screen. Now, if I turn it that way, look at that. You see how I got dark from the overhead view right here? Turn it, and it start getting dark. It start getting dark around here. But then if you over here trying to creep on me, you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. All right. Now, you could probably increase that even more if you turn down your screen. And you see, if you turn it right here, you can't even see nothing. And you standing right over top of it, you can't see nothing. You know what I mean? That's how I be at work. Because I don't be wanting them kids to be seeing me texting or seeing my messages or whatever. You know what I mean? So you can't see nothing, but the screen is still on. You see? It's still on. So even if I dim it just a little bit, that'll increase the darkness when it hit them angles. But that's looking good. That's looking real good. That's sexy. All right, so now we're gonna put the case on real quick. So we know that it works with the case, and it's in there like swimwear. Looking good. Look at that. Turn from the side, you can't see nothing. Screen is on now. Can't see nothing. Screen is on. Peekaboo. I see you. All right. That's looking good. I'm liking that. I'm impressed. Looks good on the phone. Now them kids ain't gonna know what to do. You ain't gonna be able to read my messages or nothing. That's hot. So if you definitely in the market for a screen protector and you want some privacy, you know what I mean, from if you out there doing creep stuff, you know what I mean, you doing stuff you shouldn't supposed to be doing, or you just want some privacy, say you at work and you don't want nobody over your shoulder looking at your stuff, this is the way to go. Spigen. Now, there was a lot of other companies who make these, had some good reviews, some bad reviews, but I know Spigen products because I buy Spigen products. So that's why I decided to go with these. The price wasn't bad. It's under 20 bucks, under 15 bucks. You know what I mean? So I was like, why not just go with a brand that I know instead of going with a brand that I don't know and spending less money. You're trying to save a couple dollars, but I'm going with the, you know, known person who, you know, known brand that, you know, I know they work. So I definitely am happy with this purchase. And like I said, if you in the market for one of these glass, tempered glass screen protectors with the protection on it, so, you know, people can't see what you're doing, then definitely look this product up. I'll leave a link in the description if you're looking for one. And we ready to go. But it's Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media pages, then all you got to do, go into the description, click on every one of those links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.